We are MECCA,
the Marketing
Club
Club
of GIM.
Hello everyone. We are MECCA, the Marketing Club of GIM, a hub for students passionate about marketing. We provide a bridge between the classroom learning and the practical knowledge. MECCA is the oldest club of GIM with a legacy over 25 years. Being a student-driven campus where learning transcends beyond the classroom, GIM helps us to nurture leadership and talent through club activities, giving us exposure to interact with industry leaders.
Through initiatives like Sail Away, Chrysalis, and the JCC event, MECCA organizes various events that equip us with insights into evolving markets and practical strategies. Nexus, a flagship event, is one of the biggest women leaders event. It empowers students through insightful panel discussions, pan-India competitions, and global networking opportunities.
But that's not all. MECCA is more than just a club. It's a journey of professional growth, leadership, and unforgettable experiences. We are a part of the legacy that shapes future marketing leaders. Our alums stand as a testament of how MECCA fosters leadership and innovation, shaping future marketers who leave a lasting impact in the industry. GIM emphasizes hands-on experience, and through MECCA, we get first-hand exposure on customer interactions, product pitching, and sales techniques. The institution's focus on practical learning ensures that we are not just theory-driven, but also ready to make an impact in the real world.
We are MECCA,
The
Club of GIM.